Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error while trying to install the NVIDIA control panel app. To get started, simply right click over the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. From here, expand the display adapter, right click over your GPU and click on Update Driver. Now select any of the method and update your driver, and this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply go to this link, I'll give the link in the video description, and download the NVIDIA control panel app from here. After it downloads, simply click over it and install it. So once successfully installed, right click over your desktop, click on show more options, and you will see the NVIDIA control panel app. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.